Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app totally for free anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. We are going to talk about how Uber and Lyft, this is a really fun topic, guys. We're gonna be discussing how Uber and Lyft drivers can file their taxes with Solo. So you just made a video on this, right?
Yeah, Solo's great. They can help you with everything. If you're a rideshare driver or a delivery driver.
So how does the tax, is there an article about the taxes, 2022 taxes? Here we go.
Yeah, so basically they teamed up with Column Tax.
Firstly, guys, before Izzy explains it all, we have a link below to sign up for Solo. When you sign up, they will give you $10 just for signing up. So it's free anywhere in the country to sign up for Solo and try it out. There's no commitments, nothing like that. They're going to send you $10 if you have an active gig account. And you have to go in and link your active gig account too. That's how it works. But yeah, to get your 10 bucks. Link below. Okay, now get into it.
Yeah, also if you're using Solo and you're subscribed, you get a discount on like the flat fee to file your taxes.
Oh, cool.
So yeah, it would be $59.99 instead of $79.99.
So
it's $20 off.
It's only $59.99 to file your taxes through Solo?
Yeah.
What is TurboTax? Isn't that cheaper than TurboTax?
I think TurboTax's cheapest option is like $65.
Yeah, and that TurboTax is like, it's not specifically for rideshare drivers or gig workers.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, they'll help you. Yeah, so they partner with Column Tax. You can file your taxes directly in the app. It's super user-friendly, super easy. Also, like if you've already been using Solo and you've been tracking your mileage and tracking your expenses, that will help. Like they'll just do everything for you all in one place.
All of your expenses will be like already tracked.
Yeah, exactly. And you can like get the most tax deductions that way.
So basically, if you're a driver watching this video and you haven't done your taxes yet, you can sign up for this. Or if you already did your taxes, you can start tracking your expenses with Solo for next year. So that way it's already being tracked and you're preparing like throughout the year. You're not like scrambling at the end.
Yeah. And this includes federal and state taxes. And also like if for the off chance they happen to make a mistake, which shouldn't happen, but like it might happen, they'll pay for any penalties and the interest.
Wow. Wow. Who will? Column or Solo or both?
Column, I think.
I mean, yeah, whatever. It's like the same. I mean, they're partnered. That's crazy. Yeah. They guarantee that they're going to pay for a mistake?
Yeah. If Column makes an error and the penalties, they'll cover the penalties for you.
Guys, if you're watching this, based on my experience filing taxes as a, small business owner, gig worker for 4 years, this sounds like a Uber, Lyft, gig working dream for taxes. Like this is literally the prescription for your issue, for your disease. Because filing taxes literally sucks. Like, I'm not gonna lie, the tax system is like, I hate it. Especially like, I know in some other countries it's like very different. Like, it's not as difficult as it is here.
Yeah, I think it's like the most difficult in the US out of any country.
I was just talking about this last night with one of my buddies. He said, and I'm just literally quoting him, so like I didn't even verify this, but he says TurboTax lobbies the government to keep making taxes more difficult so that they can get more business.
Oh.
He was like, I don't know if that's true or not, but yeah, this $59.99 for subscribers, $59 to file your taxes, guys, is very cheap. I'll put it that way. And if they're gonna save you potentially thousands of dollars by writing off all your miles properly, like $59, it ain't nothing. That ain't diddly darn squat, right?
Yeah.
That ain't no pumpernickel. What did that one guy say to you? It's like the goose. It ain't the geese on the goose.
Something, the goose and the gander.
Yeah, guys, this ain't no goose and the gander. All right. So this is really, really cool. This is a new opportunity for gig workers to file their taxes, and it works for let's look at all the apps you can do it with. There's a list of all the ones: Amazon Flex, DoorDash, Grubhub, GoPuff, Instacart, Lyft, Shipt, Uber, and Uber Eats. Yeah, so basically all the major ones. Pretty cool. So use our link below to sign up, and you can get that discount, and they're also going to send you just $10 for signing up for Solo if you're not a member yet.